God offered us an abundant life. Yun ang pangako ng Diyos. To have a meaningful life, a life with purpose. Ang problema, yung mga tao, they could not enjoy that life because they are distracted with so many things. Kapag double-minded ka, hindi ka pure in heart. Ibig sabihin ng pure in heart, you are single-minded sa iyong pursuit of knowing and seeing God. Hindi maraming distraction. Kaya nga ayaw ng Diyos yung distraction. Alam niyo bakit? Pag sinabi mong anxious, ang tao, anxious, ibig sabihin ng divided mind. Kaya sabi ng Bible, do not be anxious about anything. Kaya para hindi ka na divided mind, sabi niya, let everything, let your request be made known unto God. Di ba? Made unto God. And with supplication, with thanksgiving. Tingnan niyo, balik and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding. Look at the words. Will keep your heart and mind in Christ Jesus. Single-minded ka. Focus ka lang kay Jesus. Okay ba yan? So, pag ikaw, bothered ka sa maraming bagay, nag-pray ka, at hindi ka pa rin nakafocus kay Jesus, hindi ka pa single-minded, tuloy ka pa rin, mag-pray ka pa din. Until you are single-minded. Okay? Alam nyo ba, isa sa mga attribute ng Christians is single-mindedness? Kaya kung alam mong Christian ka, kung meron isang bagay na maglang i-describe mo, Christian, single-minded yan. Single-minded in what? In the pursuit of God. Kaya sabi ng Bible, they're blessed. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Ano pa ibig sabihin ng pure in heart? Huwag na kayong lumayo. Si James, the brother of Jesus, explained what it meant. Ano sabi niya? Draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. Cleanse your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded.